Here's how I made a mug using the Cricut Mug Press with a drawing from Procreate. Make sure you subscribe to see all of my new videos. These are the new 12-ounce mugs from Cricut to be used with the Mug Press and Infusible Ink. I'm using Haipu Sublimation Ink, Sublimation paper, both of which are available on Amazon, and I use those to convert this Epson EcoTank inkjet printer to a sublimation printer. I recently got the brand new Cricut Mug Press and I'm excited to try it out with these drawings that I made in Procreate. I have two drawings, one with Mickey balloons and one with my daughter's name. I'm going to put them on each side of the mug. The first thing I did was measure this 12-ounce mug to see how big I needed to make my graphics. The side of the mug where I'll be putting the Maddie graphic is about 3 inches long, and then the other side is where I'll put the balloons, and it is about 3 inches high to fit a graphic, but I actually want to overlap the balloon strings a little bit, so I'm going to make it a little over 3 inches so I can overlap those. I've imported both of the graphics into Photoshop. I have an 8.5 by 11 inch document. I placed them in there, resized, and then mirrored them. Don't forget to mirror. I centered them up a little bit, and I'm just going to go ahead and send them to my printer. Applying these graphics to a sublimation mug requires sublimation ink in my printer and sublimation paper. If you have those things, you're good to go. You can see they come out of the printer looking a little bit dull, but they will brighten up once you apply heat. I cut apart the designs and trimmed off all of the excess paper. The name will fit on the mug pretty well, so I'm not so worried about that. But with the balloon, I want to make sure that I don't have a ton of extra because I'll have to fold it around the cup to attach it. These balloon strings at the bottom, that's where I want them to go a little bit over the edge of the mug. So I'm going to use heat-resistant tape, which you can get on Cricut or on Amazon. And I'm going to apply the designs snugly to the side of the mug. Because the name fits right on the side of the mug, you really only need a couple of pieces of tape to hold that down. The balloon graphic, however, fills the side of the mug. So I'm going to make sure to fold the edges of the paper over and then secure the whole thing down with heat-resistant tape. This way, I make sure that I have full coverage on the side of the mug and not a lot of white space at the top or bottom. I'm going to secure these bottom edges with a little bit more tape, and then we'll be good to go. This is the first time using the Cricut Mug Press, and it's pretty cool. It's small. You just push the on button, and it will preheat. When the light turns green, it's ready to go. Place the mug inside with the handle facing out, and then you just push down this side, and it tightens right around the mug and starts counting down on its own. You don't have to do anything. A side note though, you do have to connect it to Cricut Design Space to activate it and upload firmware to it. It takes 5 or 6 minutes, but as the Cricut Mug Press heats the mug, it goes through these lights, and then when all the lights are filled, it's done. Then you just lift the handle of the mug press and then lift the mug out by the handle and set it somewhere to cool. You'll see there's a little scorch in that paper. I'll make sure to tape that down next time. I've let this cool for probably about 20 minutes, and now I'm going to take off the paper. It's still warm, but not hot. I can't wait to see how this comes out. This reveal is super exciting. This is my first time, and look at that. it came out exactly how I wanted. I'm really pleasantly surprised how well the details in my drawing came out and the different colors. You can see all of my shading that I made in Procreate, the difference of colors, the highlights. It really came out great. And the colors are pretty spot on too. I'm pretty excited about these results, and I can't wait to make more mugs with my Procreate drawings. This is a lot of fun. Stay tuned for more.